This is a story about a skillful foraging white ibis. White ibises are highly social, wading birds that thrive in large colonies, frequently foraging, flying, and nesting together in groups. Often found in coastal marshes, swamps, and wetlands, they rely on these communal behaviors for protection and efficient hunting, with colonies sometimes consisting of thousands of birds. But this is a story about their foraging methods. First, let's look at the White Ibises lifestyle. Fly in groups and highly social. They forage in wetlands and marsh. Both parents care for their chicks. White ibis forage most often in wet areas with less than 8 inches of water and short vegetation, but they also forage on lawns and in parks. They nest in colonies in trees and shrubs near fresh, brackish, or salt water. During the nesting season, they forage more frequently in freshwater wetlands because nestlings cannot safely consume large amounts of salt. Water waders forage in their own way. The white ibis foraging skills up close and personal. Did the ibis leave any food for the other water waders? This is a story about a skillful foraging white ibis.